Hello and welcome to MG Tracy. Well, today this video is about setting up a new solar fountain which we're going to put in one of the sort of bird baths that we have at the end of the garden. When you get a solar fountain working correctly, it looks nice and of course the sound is super relaxing. But after a few years they don't work very well, hence the new one. I'll put the links below for this. I've not been paid or incentivised by anybody in any way. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's jump straight in and set up our new solar fountain. Unfortunately, this one has seen better days and doesn't seem to be working very well. So I've bought a new one from Amazon. I'll put the links below. Let's see if we can get a bit more of a fountain and the water sound back with a new solar fountain here. This is the one I've bought from Amazon. I've bought it before. You get 2 or 3 years out of these before the solar panels just seem to not work as well. But they're not a lot of money. I'm going to set this one up and replace that one. Let's have a go at setting this up then. It's pretty simple because of course there aren't any batteries. So you have like a foam bit here that's ready for, oh dear, excuse me, a foam bit here that's ready for flotation. And then that bit is where the water goes in. It's not an easy thing to clean and it does clog up after a while, and I believe that bit in there is probably where the rechargeable battery is and the actual little motor, the pump. So they do start off so lovely, but when they've been outside, obviously they go a bit opaque and then that stops them working as well. Then you've got a packet here so you can choose what sort of fountain you want really. So I'm going to choose one of those. Let's go and pop it in and see if it's better than the other one. In that packet you've got sort of little extension bits and some cappy bits, and you've got one bit that you fit onto there, if you like. Oops, that fits onto there, and then you can choose from 4 different patterns of how you want the water. So I'm going to go for that one. Let's clip that on and see how it looks. So simply just twist that to fit those 2 bits together, untwist it if you want to change it. I'm not going to go for an extension, so I'm just going to put that one there. And then it should be just drop it in and wait for some sunshine. So I hope you found that video useful. We've finally got some sunshine here in London and you can see that the fountain is shooting up by, oh, what, a couple of feet or something and making a glorious sound. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Paul from London. I'll see you in the next video. There's some Amazon links below if you want to buy any of this gear. Cheerio.